Hello and welcome to another video by The Peppy Techie. You clicked on this video today because you want to know how to make a green screen lighting setup for your green screen for less than $100. So let's get to it and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, many of you may have gone out and bought your green screen kit from Amazon or a photo website. You get a green screen, you get a stand for your green screen, and you get lights. Problem is, this kit is not for lighting your green screen, it's for lighting your subject. Now there is a green screener app called the Green Screener, and it will show you where your hot spots are. In other words, as you can see up here, where you have and where you do not have light. So you need lights that are large enough to cover the entire green screen that you are using. Some must-haves. First of all, you want 5000K bright light, whether you're LED or fluorescent, 5000K bright daylight bulbs. This is very important for getting the best key. You also have what's called the CRI, which is your color retention rate. Won't go into all of that. There's a video linked down below to someone who explains it better than me. But the higher the rate, the easier it is to key. Problem is in LED especially, it gets to be a little bit more expensive. Let's look at your two choices for someone on a budget like me. Fluorescent shop lights can be very, very effective. They're cheap on the front end. You can buy it as long as it has a ballast to keep it from flickering. Purchase these, you'll find that they're very wide. And for me, I needed a smaller space. Now they can also be very hot. So let's look at the LED lights that I chose. What I found were LED lights that are for under counter, and they come in 4-foot lengths. Perfect. Barina at Amazon, a pack of 8, T5, under cabinet lights. They come with built-in on-off switches. They come with all the cables. They come with the brackets. $55. Now they are only 80 CRI. However, I'm finding they're bright enough for me. I'm going to break down what these lights cost me. 2 boards, 1/2 inch thick, 4 feet long, $10. Home Depot. 2 brackets to put them on the light stand, $3.85, as well as the bolts and the washers. $4 approximately each, so we'll just say $8. And of course the lights at $56. That's $74 for these lights. Now the link below is for the lights. And also for a stand, if you do not have light stands, I did. So for about $29, you can go out to Amazon, get the Amazon basic light stands. It'll put you around $103 for the whole setup. Please make sure you subscribe because I'm going to do a new video, an additional video, on another set of lights. T8, 40 watt, 5000K. They are a slightly higher CRI at 85. The difference is they cost $125 for 10 lights. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to do it. We have a special guest. Do you want a green screen, girl? Daisy, say hi. Jesus, thank you. And thanks for watching the Peppy Techie videos. Let's get to it. We got some lights to put together. Come on, girl. Let's go get the drill. My light set up as it's completed. You can see I have it on stands. There are 4 lights on each of these brackets. And there's my green screen. So let's take a look at the steps. Okay, so now I'm going to try not to make you dizzy while I make this video. I have my 2 boards. Okay, so these are all done. And 2 things, that I learned. This is a 1/2 inch board. And of course, because it's a 1/2 inch and the screws are 1/2 inch, they actually came through on the other end. So I did file them down, but I'll still put tape over that. What I did do is for a couple bucks, I went out and replaced the screws that came with it with 1/2 inch screws. Okay, so that will save me from having to file, which was really a pain. What I'm going to do is take these 4 little brackets, which I know I did on the other one, try to do it somewhat at the same place. It really doesn't matter. That's going to be, I don't ever want these screws too close to an edge because that's of course how it cracks this wood. Now to just make it easier, I'm going to mark every single hole and then I'm going to drill a hole and that way the screws will just go right in and screw them in and it'll just be much faster that way than trying to screw them and maybe stripping them out. I have to flip the board over because of the bolt that I have to do. That'll be the side that'll have the bolt, so they're pretty far down. This side is going to be closer to the end. So I'm going to do that one on this side, do the same thing. Okay, so now I've got these marked. Again, this one is the short side. I'm going to come down here. Sorry. On this side is where I'm going to drill for the bracket that's going to have to go on this, okay? So that's where I need that. So I have plenty of room for the lights on the other side, and I'm going to put a bolt through here. Okay. Now, of course, I've measured this with the lights, so it works perfectly. An electric screwdriver for this because you strip these, so I don't advise it. To connect two of these together, they will go on the top. So they're going to go on the top, where the connector for power will go on the bottom. The bracket is right up here. So there they are, all hooked up and ready to plug in. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll subscribe to the Peppy Techie channel. Please make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make a new video. And leave your comments down below. Your questions, your thoughts, even your advice is much appreciated. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching the Peppy Techie channel.